Embedded Controller Lab. Today's session, we are going to give a small task, programming task for 6th A and B section students. The task is you are supposed to interface a microcontroller with LCD display and a keypad. And the requirement over here is as you press a button on this hex key, the corresponding label has to be printed on this LCD module. And next time you press a second button, as soon you press another button, it should not be replaced with the key where you have, which means the position has to be changed. And this process has to be repeated, which means you press a key, it should be displayed. Next time you press, it should the cursor should go to the next location, and there it should be printed. So it is something like you're typing some messages, and as you come to the last column of the first row, then you figure out that there are no more memory spaces for placing a data. Then automatically the new memory for this character has to be the second row. And soon again in the second row you type 16 more characters, then almost all the spaces are filled. Then again it should go back to the first row, first column position. I repeat, the task is you are in row 1 and you press a button, column 1, there the element should be printed. Again you press a button, row 1, column place 2, you have to print the element. Then it has to be repeated. As soon as you approach column 16, then column 17 you don't have. So when you are in column 16, the next location for you would be row 2, column 0 to fit your data. I'll run the program and I'll show you the result. Hope this makes sense. Okay, so let me just type the characters 0, 0, 0, 0. I'll just randomly press this button. So now you have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 16 characters are filled. Now it has gone to the second row and it has started printing the values there. Again you press a button, so it continues from that position. Now let's see what happens when you're end of the second row. So when you're at the end of the second row, it should clear the screen, and again it has to continue from row 1. Again the printing should start. So hope this makes sense. So this is what is expected result. No compromise with respect to this. Furthermore, guidelines will be provided in the document.